now going to test your balance and gait. So, inspect ko muna yung muscles and muscles impulses. Okay. So, muscles are equally bilateral, and then muscles are relaxed, and then muscles are there are no tremors on the muscles. So, sir, start na po tayo sa gait and balance po. So, kindly walk po, sir, normal lang.
Normal lang.
Okay, sir. So, up. Okay, so, gawin niyo naman po yung heel to toe fashion po, yung ganun po. Okay, sir. Maganda po sa dulo. Okay, so, client is able to balance while doing the heel to toe fashion po. And then, after that is, so dito po muna kayo. So, ang gagawin po natin ng Romberg test is, close po yung eyes niyo po for 30 seconds and then tayo lang po kayo. Tapos kapag kung tatayo lang po kayo, tapos i-check ko lang po yung balance niyo kung may minimal swaying o wala. So, close your eyes po, sir. So, for 30 seconds. So, client is able to maintain balance on the Romberg's test. Okay, sir. So, okay, so sa next test po natin, sir, is gagawin po natin yung balance in one knee po, sir. So, 5 seconds lang naman po, sir. So 5
Right po na?
Right po. 1, 2, 3. Okay, kabila naman po, sir. Tapos, sir, okay, so lumipat na kami ng pwesto and then we are now going to do the point finger test. So, sir, pag ilagay ko po yung finger ko dito, yung thumb, yung point ko po ito, yung index finger, po-point kayo, po-point ko sa lungs.
Okay.
Okay, so, game na po, sir. So, medyo mabilis po. Sa pangitan, sir. Last time. So, client is able to follow my finger during the point to peak to nose finger test. And then, sir, yung next po natin is yung rapid alternating movement. So, sir, gagayahin nyo lang po ako. So, yung kamay nyo po, ganyan. 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 Mas mabilis po, sir. Ganyan, okay na po yan. So, client is able to do the rapid movements alternatively. And then, sir, next is alternative, rapid movement pa rin po. Ito yung sa finger, so gagayahin na po ako. Yan. Mabilis, medyo mabilis na po. Yan. Alam mo, kabila naman po. So, client is able to do rapid movements. And then, sunod naman po is yung going to perform the heel to shin test. So, at taas na lang po. And then, yung right leg po is papatong sa heel. And then, it should run smoothly. So, paano? So, isa pa. Okay, so yung knee ng leg ng patient is nag-run smoothly pababa sa heel ng paa niya. So, that is normal. That is a normal finding. So, sir, done na po tayo sa motor and cerebral assessment.